Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to talk about a little something different on the channel. Unfortunately, recently, my wife was in a really bad car accident, really serious, and basically she has to learn how to walk again. So we had to start looking for mobility options for her. And we wanted something lightweight, inexpensive, but could really get along any terrain, any hills, things like that. And we actually came across the Easeway B20. And this thing is very affordable at $7.59 on the website. We'll drop a link in the description below. Also, if you have any coupon codes that can save you some more money or affiliate links, we'll leave those in the description below as well. But we both came to the conclusion that this would be the best fit for her as far as different terrain, things like that. And it has some really cool features and some really cool options, and it gets the job done. She's been using this for 3 months now, and this thing is pretty amazing. Now in this video, unfortunately, I won't have my wife to do the video. She doesn't really want to be on camera, so I'm going to be doing it. And the max load for this thing, if you're wondering, is 250 pounds. Now again, if you're a bigger person like myself, the seat width is 16.5 inches, and it fits me quite well. It fits my wife a lot better, but I do fit in this seat, and this wheelchair gets me along pretty well. Now, as far as the battery goes, you get a 12 amp hour battery, super easy to remove. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a little red tab here. We're going to click this and pull out. There you go. And there is our battery. Super compact. There's your charging port in case you want to charge it off of the scooter. To slide it back in, you just put it in the rails there and just click it into place, and there you go. Now that battery will take 5 to 6 hours to charge from 0 to 100. So keep that in mind when you're planning ahead. Believe it or not, this battery will get you 30 miles of range on a single charge. So that's pretty good for something that small. Now, for anybody wondering what the top speed for this thing is, it's just under 4 miles per hour. So this thing does scoot along pretty quickly. And I'm going to show you that coming up in the video shortly. And I'll show you how fast it is and easy to maneuver. Now, the people over at Easeway really thought this thing through and planned ahead. This is the neatest feature. So you look at the scooter and you're thinking, okay, what happens if I'm left-handed? So they definitely thought about that. Cool thing is you can actually unscrew this here. There's like a little knob here. We'll unscrew that. And look, you can move this over to the left side if you're left-handed. I don't know if other wheelchairs do that, but that's like the coolest thing that stood out to me with this electric wheelchair. Now, one other thing that I was thinking about is, what about hills? If my wife is going down a hill, a really steep hill, how is she going to stop it? Does this thing have good brakes or whatever? This thing has something called electromagnetic braking. It's basically like engine braking. So like regen basically, but this thing will slow you down really quickly when you're going on a hill, so you're not just rolling away. So if you let go of that joystick, the scooter is going to slow you down to a complete stop. So really nice. You also have those wheelie bars in the back, a really cool safety feature so this thing doesn't tip back on you, which brings us to our next point. This thing can climb a 12-degree angle. So pretty big hills. So you want something like this. These wheelie bars, a safety feature on there to keep you from going back, especially if you're climbing a bigger hill. You do have locks on the motors just in case you want to use this as a regular wheelchair, you can. So you can lock it into place by pushing these forward and then pulling out to engage the motors again. You do get an 8-inch front wheel and a 12-inch rear wheel. These are honeycomb style. These do a really good job on any terrain, and it definitely softens the load, especially on a bumpy, gravelly road. Really cool design. Absolutely love it. Now, as far as folding this electric wheelchair, super easy to do, and it folds to a nice compact package. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to all the buttons here. So you have a button on the right underneath the armrest. You're going to click that in, and this goes up. Same on the other side. Click this in, this goes up. And then you also have buttons here. You see this little red tip down here. So on the right side of this, you're going to click this. All right. Same thing on the other side. You also have a seatbelt on here too. So I did not point that out, but I will show you once I get in here and strap myself in. But basically, we're ready to fold this thing up, and check how compact this thing goes. Fold it up. And guys, check that out. Really nice compact package. This actually comes off too, and you can kind of just wheel this along too for easy transport. So super easy to load into your car, in your van, whatever you're driving, or for storage, you can put it in storage very easily. So I love the fact that folds up to a nice compact package. All right, so what we'll do is we'll unfold this again. We'll get in here and show you guys how this thing performs. You can hear those snap in when you lower them. And then down here, these little red tips here, we're gonna push these up, clicks into place, locks it in. Same thing on the other side. There we go. All right, and we are ready to go. As you see, you do have a footrest, which folds up, fold that down. So as far as getting into the wheelchair, it's a lot easier if you fold this up here for your feet before trying to get in to the chair. We're gonna sit back and we're gonna strap ourselves in using this seatbelt. And guys, I'm pretty comfortable. Again, I'm 260 pounds, 6'2", so I'm a big guy, and I can fit comfortably in this electric wheelchair. We're gonna put our feet rest down here, and we're gonna power this thing on by using the power button here. Now it's powered on. You have 1 red, 2 yellow, and 2 green. You have a horn here, which is just a loud beep, and all your power modes here. So we're gonna go all the way up. And what we're gonna do next is articulate this joystick very slowly to get used to it at first, and super easy to control. Yeah, really nice. My wife absolutely loves this. It's kind of like controlling a go-kart or something. And look at the braking. So as soon as you let go of that joystick or let off, it automatically brakes. And it does the same thing on a hill to keep you from rolling down a hill, which is quite nice. When you back up, you get the audible, let people behind you know that you're backing up because you can't see behind you, and then full speed ahead. Guys, this cruises up to around 4 miles per hour. So it's definitely no speed demon, but fast enough. And I would just kind of do like I'm doing now in your garage and kind of play with that joystick and get used to it before you take it out on the town or in the store or whatever, just so you are familiar with the controls and how they work. But my wife found it very easy to get around the grocery store and avoid people and stuff. So she says this thing is a lot of fun. So yeah, really easy controls. Absolutely love it. Power down, just hold down the power button. We're gonna unclip. I kind of throw these over the side here so they're easy to find. If you don't, then they kind of go back here and you can't really find them after. But guys, there we have it. This is the Easeway B20. You even have some storage in the back here. This is everything we wanted and more. I think this is perfect for someone that needs something like this. I want something lightweight that you can throw into your car. It's not super heavy, but can get around basically any terrain that you need it to. This thing is up to the task. Again, if we can save you some money, we'll leave a coupon code in the description below. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. We get back to everybody. And until next time, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. Peace out.